Welcome to Touring Globe. Join us as we explore the world's most beautiful places and share our travel adventures. Subscribe for tips, stories, and inspiration. Here are some stunning beaches around the world, where the water exhibits different and mesmerizing colors, along with the best times to visit, along with why the waters at these beaches exhibit their unique colors, along with some interesting facts about each location. 1. Pink Sands Beach, Harbor Island, Bahamas. Why the color? The pink hue of the sand is caused by tiny, red-colored marine organisms called foraminifera. When these organisms die, their shells mix with the white sand, giving it a pinkish tint. The turquoise water is a result of the white sand reflecting sunlight. Facts. Harbor Island is only 3 miles long and half a mile wide, making it a small but stunning destination. The beach stretches for about 3 miles, providing ample space for visitors to enjoy its unique beauty. 2. Playa del Amor, Marietta Islands, Mexico. Why the color? The vibrant blue water is a result of the deep ocean meeting the shallow, clear waters inside the crater. The crater's formation, due to volcanic activity, has created a secluded beach with brilliant blue water. Facts. Playa del Amor is only accessible by swimming or kayaking through a tunnel, adding to its secluded charm. The Marietta Islands were formed by volcanic activity and are protected as part of a national park. 3. Lanikai Beach, Oahu, Hawaii, USA. Why the color? Lanikai's turquoise water is due to the shallow, sandy bottom and the clarity of the water. The sand reflects sunlight, creating a vivid, bright blue hue. Facts. Lanikai means heavenly sea in Hawaiian, a fitting name for this stunning beach. The beach is consistently ranked among the best in the world, despite its relatively small size. 4. Reynishaga Beach, Vik, Iceland. Why the color? The deep blue color of the water contrasts with the black volcanic sand, which was formed from eroded volcanic rock. The rough seas also contribute to the dark, intense color of the water. Facts. Reynishaga Beach is known for its dangerous waves, so swimming is not recommended. The beach is famous for its basalt sea stacks, Reynisstranger, which rise dramatically from the ocean. 5. Anse Source d'Argent, La Digue, Seychelles. Why the color? The pale blue and green hues of the water are a result of the shallow, sandy bottom and the presence of seagrass, which reflects light differently. The granite boulders also enhance the beauty of the water by providing a stark contrast. Facts. Anse Source d'Argent is one of the most photographed beaches in the world, often featured in films and advertisements. The beach is part of a protected area, helping to preserve its natural beauty. 6. Vadu Island, Maldives. Why the color? At night, the water glows blue due to bioluminescent plankton called Noctiluca scintillans. When disturbed, these plankton emit light as a defense mechanism, creating a surreal, glowing effect. Facts. The bioluminescence is more visible during new moons when the sky is darker. The Maldives consists of over 1,000 coral islands, many of which have pristine, turquoise waters. 7. Whitehaven Beach, Whitsunday Island, Australia. Why the color? The water's colors, ranging from deep blue to bright turquoise, are due to the purity of the silica sand, 98% pure, and the depth variations of the surrounding waters. The swirling patterns of blue and white are created by the shifting tides. Facts. The sand on Whitehaven Beach is so fine that it doesn't retain heat, making it comfortable to walk on even on hot days. Whitehaven Beach stretches over 7 kilometers, providing plenty of space for visitors. 8. Horseshoe Bay Beach, Bermuda. Why the color? The water here is a mix of deep blue and turquoise, with the pink sand adding a warm hue to the overall scenery. The pink sand is caused by the presence of foraminifera, similar to Pink Sands Beach in the Bahamas. Facts. Horseshoe Bay Beach is shaped like a horseshoe, giving it its name. The beach is popular for snorkeling, especially around the rocky coves. 9. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, Iceland. Why the color? The icy blue and aquamarine colors are due to the presence of glacier ice, which is compressed over thousands of years, removing air bubbles and allowing the ice to absorb red light and reflect blue. Facts. The lagoon is constantly changing as icebergs calve off the Breiðamerkurjökull Glacier. Jökulsárlón is one of Iceland's deepest lakes, reaching depths of over 248 meters. 10. Red Beach, Santorini, Greece. Why the color? The deep blue water contrasts with the red and black volcanic cliffs and sand, which are rich in iron and other minerals. The unique color combination is a result of volcanic activity in the area. Facts. Red Beach is located near the ancient site of Akrotiri, a Minoan Bronze Age settlement. The beach is small and can get crowded, especially during peak tourist season. 11. Playa Paraíso, Cayo Largo del Sur, Cuba. Why the color? The water's soft turquoise hue is a result of the fine white sand and the shallow, clear waters. The calm, warm waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Facts. Playa Paraíso is consistently ranked among the best beaches in the Caribbean. Cayo Largo del Sur is a small island known for its pristine, undeveloped beaches. 12. Pfeiffer Beach, Big Sur, California, USA. Why the color? The water here is a mix of blue and green, with the purple hues in the sand caused by manganese garnet deposits that are washed down from the surrounding hills. Facts. Pfeiffer Beach is relatively hidden and can be challenging to find, adding to its secluded charm. The beach is known for its rock formations, including Keyhole Rock, a popular photography spot. 13. Maho Beach, Saint Martin. Why the color? The vivid azure water is due to the deep, clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. The beach is famous for its proximity to the Princess Juliana International Airport, where planes fly just a few meters above the sand. Facts. Maho Beach is a popular spot for plane enthusiasts, who gather to watch the low landings and takeoffs. The beach is also known for its vibrant nightlife and nearby resorts. 14. Navatia Beach, Zakynthos, Greece. Why the color? The electric blue water is a result of the limestone cliffs surrounding the beach. These cliffs reflect sunlight into the shallow waters, creating a bright, almost neon blue hue. Facts. The beach is named after the MV Panagiotis, a shipwreck that ran aground on the beach in 1980. Navatia Beach is only accessible by boat, adding to its remote and exclusive appeal. 15. Pink Beach, Komodo Island, Indonesia. Why the color? The pink sand is a result of a mix of white sand and red coral fragments. The turquoise water adds to the striking contrast, making it one of the most unique beaches in the world. Facts. Pink Beach is located within Komodo National Park, home to the famous Komodo dragons. The surrounding coral reefs are rich in marine life, making it a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. These beaches are not only beautiful but also scientifically fascinating, with their unique colors resulting from natural processes that make each one a must-visit destination for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Touring Globe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.